Hello, guys. I just wanted to congratulate you for completing all the activities you needed to do for the past week and which were due today at 6 p.m. You can check your grades and see that everything is there. You should see 3 grades, one for the quiz, one for the preliminary discussion, and one if you send me an email. Let me know if you see any problems in there. For example, that you did the activity and I did not record it in the grade book. Everything should be taken care of. So now we move on to MySpanishLab. Please note that what you need to do for the preliminary lesson is you go to MySpanishLab and you're going to complete only the e-text activities for the preliminary lesson. And the due date is January the 31st at 11:59:59. Everything will close after that time. Needless to say, do not wait until the last minute. Okay, so once you click here and you do your login, you should go directly into MySpanishLab. I'm gonna go to the student view so that you see exactly what I can see here. So when you come here, once you log in, always go to today's view because that is where you will see what it's due. So you know that you have something going on the 31st, right? Which is the e-text activities. You click on the date, okay, the due date that is, and to your right, you will see all of the activities that are due for that day. So you do all of these in order. So for instance, click on the first one. Notice that you have from here all the way to this activity here, funciones y formas 2, comprendes, all the way on page 26. These are all the activities you're going to do. So in other words, you come here, click on the exercise. You're going to see that you have, for instance, here, Alicia, me llamo Alicia, ¿y tú cómo te llamas? Well, you choose from these answers, encantado, igualmente, mi amigo Pedro, and mucho gusto, which of these you think fits right here, okay? So you bring all of these ones in here, and then you submit for grading. You're going to see a check mark after you are done with that exercise, okay? And then once you're done with this one, move on to the next one and so on and so forth. Now, before you do your activities, what you need to do is go into the textbook, which is called the e-text. For that, it's like opening the book that you have for the preliminary lesson. So you click here on the e-text and this window is going to pop up, okay? So once you have this, you go directly into the chapter that you're studying. In this case, it's going to be Capítulo Preliminar, and it is as simple as like when you open your textbook, okay? So you're gonna go like this, and you're going to see that you have all of the table of contents in here and all the objectives, and you can start flipping pages. So you go to page 2, and then you see all of this information in here, and then you're going to be learning about culture and about greetings. So for instance here, notice that you have the dialogues in here, but you can listen to them.
Me llamo Antonio Mendoza. ¿Y tú? ¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo Benito Sánchez. Mucho gusto. Igualmente.
So
Me llamo Antonio Mendoza.
you just listen to this, and then you have all of the information in here. You can listen to this as many times as you like. Then you have, do you remember the exercise that we were just doing where you have to input your answers? Well, here we go. It's P1. So if we were in a regular classroom, we would do this with a partner, right? But because you are in an online environment, when you go to the calendar where we were, notice that it's called P1. Notice it's right here. So this is exactly what we were doing. It's taken directly from the textbook. Exercise P1 here on page 5 from your textbook. See this? Page 5. So everything corresponds to the book. So in here, because you're in an online class, like I said, you're going to bring all of these answers right here once you have studied everything from the textbook and you master the material. That is how you are going to go through all of the pages. If you need to go to, let's say, page 10, just click here after you're done with whatever page you want to work with, and see that you can just flip the pages just as if you had a regular textbook. I hope this helps, and please remember that all of these activities are due on Sunday, January the 31st, 2016 by 11:59 p.m. Do not hesitate to ask questions if you need help. Thank you. Bye-bye.